channel. This is Dragon Bash RC. This is the very first episode. Okay, it's episode 1, numero uno. So we're gonna be building a DR10 drag car. This is the kit. Comes with no electronics. Haven't even popped the seal on it yet. As you can see, but I'm building this car to compete in the local hobby shops club races. They have one called Budget Street Eliminator. We're gonna see just how much of a budget we can stick to, but you have to use stock electronics from the Drag Slash, the Losi 22S, or the DR10. I opt to build me one from scratch and kind of pick and choose what I want. So like, comment, and subscribe.